Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Muhammad Nabil Zakwan Adillah from Bina Nusantara University Malang. In this occasion, I will present my research with my correspondent Mardati Lasanti, entitled Sustainable Entrepreneurship Through Digital Marketing, Analyzing TikTok Engagement and Live Commerce Performance on Sales of Hekama. First, I will tell a little about Hekama. Hekama is an MSME eyewear brand originating from Bandung, Indonesia, established in 2020. Hekama offers a range of glasses, lens, and accessories committed to quality, innovation, and empowering lives through clarity. Hekama passionate about helping to express yourself and achieve harmony and vision with high quality frames, affordable price, and a personalized experience. Now we move to the introduction. First, digital marketing is growing rapidly and has become an important pillar for business sustainability, especially for MSME. Development of digital technology has changed the way companies implement their marketing and sales strategies. This digital transformation has not only given rise to various innovation in business communication, but also significantly affected the sustainability of companies, especially small and medium-sized enterprise or MSME. In the context of the creativity industry, especially local eyewear companies such as Hekama, the use of digital marketing, particularly through social media platforms such as TikTok, is very important in creating sustainable growth. This strategy is particularly relevant for companies such as Hekama, which is engaged in the creative fashion industry and strives to build a strong digital presence. In the digital age, a company's success is not only measured by the number of products sold, but also by how the company utilizes technology to create value and sustainable customer relationship. The second is the growth of TikTok as a marketing platform offer opportunities for brand to reach a wider audience. Using TikTok as a marketing platform provides opportunities for two-way communication. In this context, research on the relationship between digital marketing and corporate sustainability is highly relevant. Companies such as Hikama not only operate to sell eyewear products, but also form part of a creative business ecosystem oriented towards sustainability growth. The next is TikTok engagement and live commerce can effectively combine marketing and sales strategies at a lower cost than traditional method. By utilizing TikTok has data insights, which is include engagement metrics, number of live session, number of live viewers, as well as monthly sales and revenue data. Companies can evaluate the effectiveness of their digital marketing strategies. The last one is the objective of this study is to identify issues in Hekama sales and determine whether engagement and live commerce play an important role in sales. In the introduction to, the study have a two-part. There is a problem statement. The first one is, does TikTok engagement contribute to Hekama sales? And the second one is, does live commerce have a more significant impact? The question arises because of the difference in the nature of interaction, a passive versus a real time. The second one is objective, assessing the impact of engagement on sales. The second one is assessing the impact of live commerce on sales. These two factors were examined to facilitate the development of digital strategies that support sustainable growth. Now we move to the literature review. The first one is the correlation between TikTok engagement and sales performance. Previous studies have shown that social media engagement has a direct impact on sales. Kim and Co. in 2012 found that digital platforms engagement influence brand equity and purchase intention. The second one is the correlation between live commerce and sales performance. Live commerce plays an important role in digital sales. Live streaming can increase purchase rates because it provides a more interactive and transparent shopping experience, based from Lu et al. Study in 2025. Now, the hypothesis of this study is, there's a two hypothesis. The first one is engagement has positive effect on sales. There are three types of interaction that are included in social media: engagement, comments, shares, and likes. The study by Shahtiti et al. In 2024, high engagement indicates that consumers have a greater interest in the content and products, which ultimately increase purchase intent and the potential for transaction. The hypothesis 2 is live commerce has positive effect on sales. Metrics such as viewer count and number of live sessions are used as measures of consumer engagement and the effectiveness of live selling strategies in driving sales conversation. This statement is by Yu et al. In 2021. Now the methodology. The study is quantitative in nature with an explanatory approach that aims to test the causal relationship between TikTok marketing activities, which is engagement and live commerce, and Hikama sales performs, of course. The population of this study is all monthly data on TikTok performance and Hikama sales during the period from September 2024 until August 2025. So the population size is 12 data points. Since the entire population data can be processed without reduction, this study used the total sampling technique in which all member of the population is a sample. The analysis method used was partial least squares structural equation modeling, or PLS-SEM, which was implemented using Smart PLS4. The study used three analysis techniques. The first one is outer model to find validity and reliability testing. The second one is inner model to testing the significance of relationship between variables, and the last one is a bootstrapping to detect whether hypothesis 1 and hypothesis 2 are significant or not. So this is the result. The first is outer model. All indicator display high loadings, which is all green, all positive. The indicators reflect the construct very well. This means that all of them strongly represent their respective construct. And this is the next result from inner model. All constructs show excellent internal reliability because they're all is above 0.7. So this is the result, the result from bootstrapping. So based from this data, engagement not significant to sales because the p-values have more than 0.05, but the left session is highly significant to sales because the p-values has less than 0.05. So the discussion is engagement is awareness based. It does not automatically make people buy products. And Hikama consumers are more likely to buy during live session because there is direct interaction between the buyer and seller. Real-time product demonstration can build a stronger trust building, and there is a sense of urgency because in live session sometimes have a flash sale. According to internal data, 65% of sales come from live session, this supporting literature that live commerce is more conventional. The conclusion is engagement doesn't contribute significantly to sales as it does not have a direct impact on purchasing decision. However, it does raise brand awareness. So engagement is still important, but for brand awareness, not for selling intention, purchase intention. The live commerce has proven to be the most powerful strategy for increasing sales, as brand can directly confine and communicate with buyers. So live commerce is more positive effect to sales. That's all from this study. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.